Good morning, folks. Okay, I'm sitting here in the car. Don't worry, I'm not driving. But I am working on today's message. And today's message is all about being grateful that we can suck at things. All right, my mom is sitting here with me and she doesn't like me using that word, but being grateful that we can try things, that we have the ability to use our bodies to try things that we're not good at. And eventually if we like doing it, we'll get good at it if we keep trying. But just that physical ability that we have to try new things is spectacularly wonderful. And I am feeling so grateful for that today. It's what today's message is about in your email. And I hope that today you get to try something and feel grateful, even if, excuse me, Mom, even if you suck at it, that you get to try it. It's pretty cool. I hope you guys have a great day.